let's go. Top 10 question number 10. Did you really get sick because sobrang tindi ng mga kissing scene yun ni Richard in When I Met You? Or nahawa ka sa kanya? I remember that. He said he was very sick, di ba? And he was scared na baka mahawa ka. So nahawa ka nga ba talaga?
Apart from puyatan and apart from lahat kami, nagkakahawahan, direct contact kasi yung yes.
Parang saliva to saliva, no? Diba? Laway sa lawa.
But I trust Direct Joel. So kung ano yung direction sa akin ni Direct Joel, sinunod ko na.
Okay. Yun na yun. Top 10 question number 9. A lot of people feel na you're near perfect. So, prangkahan, meron bang pangit kay Casey Concepcion? Both physically and, I guess, internally.
Yes, but hindi yun setback sa akin. Like, I have a scar. Pwede niyong i-close up yung keloid ko na yan.
You fell off a motorcycle?
Yes, aksidente yan from motorsiklo po. And lagi yan nandyan since 11 years old pa ako.
Okay.
Kaya, ayan, kung makita niyo yan sa ASAP or anywhere else, accept niyo na lang dahil ako accepted to yun for
Okay. Sa loob, like, meron ka bang mga mood swings? May mga, kasi di ba you're Aries?
Yeah.
Medyo tigas ulo.
Yeah, I think so. I think we're stubborn, hard-headed kami in both good ways and bad ways.
Okay. Top 10 question number 8. I asked him the question, and he answered it na minsan ng mga lalaki na dadapa. So, tatanungin kita, para mas klaro lang sa amin, kailan nadapa si Richard sa tingin mo? In the 8 months that you've been, 8 months that you've been close.
Chard has matured very much since for the first time. Which is, para sa akin, hindi mo iisipin na 6 months can do a lot or 8 months can do a lot. Pero actually, siguro, pareho kaming nag-grow from how many months ago. And, ayun, siguro we're both young and we're both open to making mistakes naman. So if there's anything na kailangan i-resolve, right away naman namin i-resolve. Harap-harapan din.
Selosa ka ba?
Alam mo yung part.
No, because they say this, that the most beautiful women are normally the most jealous.
Does that go for men also?
Also, yes. The most beautiful men also daw are the most jealous. So, yun. Okay, ito na. Top 10 question number 7. Sa lahat ng nalink at nalilink na babae kay Richard, kanino ka pinaka nakaramdam ng pagseselos? And bakit? And I'm sorry, you have to name names.
Ito, honest to. Nung bagong dating ako, hindi ko nga alam na nakambal si Chard at si Mon. So, what more yung mga leading ladies niya? I don't know kung, hindi ko naalala yung mga titles ng old teleseries niya or old movies niya. But I think, alam ni Chard na hindi naman ako, he's very, he makes sure na hindi ako magselos about anyone. Hindi ako nagsiselos. Wala akong rason para isipin na, at least habang nagtatrabaho kami, that there's someone else that's more important than me. Especially now. He makes sure of that. Especially now.
Now. But a few months ago. Yes. Name names unless ayaw mong pasikatin. Kung ayaw mong pasikatin, maintindihan namin.
I don't wanna name names.
Okay. Top 10 question number 6. If there's anything na gusto mong isumbong kay Tita Annabelle about Richard, dahil syempre, di ba yung mommy lang ang pwede mag-correct nun? Ano yun? Meron? Na hindi ikaw, para tita. You know, I read somewhere.
Hindi ko yata kaya magsumbong kay Tita Ana Melrama. Baka ako yung awayin nun eh.
So, wala.
Wala.
Okay.